Today we are going to see about house lords for Libra ascendant. For Libra ascendant, Venus is ruling the Lagna, and Venus is also ruling the 8th house. Due to ruling the 8th house, Venus cannot be said to be a benefic, but Venus is not evil like for Taurus ascendant, because the 8th lordship is not a evil house like 3, 6 and 11. So the Venus is neutral for Libra Lagna. The 8th house lordship, when it is also ruling a trinal house, it can become partly benefic or it can be neutral. When the 8th house lord is simultaneously ruling the 3rd house, 7th house or 11th house, then it will become particularly evil. Similarly, the Lagna lord also. The Lagna lord, when it is also ruling the 6th house, it can become evil, as in the case of Taurus ascendant. So Venus is neutral for Libra ascendant people. Mars is ruling 2nd and 7th house. Mars ruling the 7th house is not bad, because a malefic ruling Kendra house ceases to be a malefic, and the lord of 2nd is a neutral. But still, Parashara terms Mars as evil for Libra ascendant. Going by the principles, Mars should have been neutral, because Mars is ruling the 7th house, which makes it less malefic, and it is ruling a 2nd house, which is associative house. But since the 2nd and the 7th house are both Maraka houses, it becomes a evil planet. Mars becomes a evil planet for Libra ascendant, just like Venus for Aries ascendant. Jupiter rules 3rd and 6th house and is a evil planet, like Mercury for Aries ascendant. Jupiter is evil due to ruling 3rd and 6th house. So when Jupiter is conjoined with yoga producing planets like Saturn or Mercury or Moon, it can disrupt the yogas in the chart. Saturn is ruling 4th house and 5th house. Whenever a malefic planet is ruling a Kendra house, it ceases to become a malefic, but also only when it also rules a trinal house simultaneously. In this case, Saturn is ruling the 5th house, so it does become a benefic. The concept of malefics ruling the Kendra houses becoming a benefic is true only when it is also ruling a trinal house simultaneously. Saturn is a Yogakaraka for these natives because it is ruling a Kendra house and a trinal house. Saturn, when conjoined with Moon or Mercury, can form yogas for this native. Mercury is ruling 9th house and 12th house and is a benefic. When Mercury is conjoined with Saturn, it can become very good for Libra native. When Mercury and Saturn are in opposition also, it's a good thing. When Mercury and Saturn are exchanging houses, like Mercury is in 4th house, Saturn is in 9th house, it is a very good combination for success. Moon is neutral as the 10th lord, because benefic ruling 10th house is becoming less benefic. But when Moon is combined with Saturn or Mercury, it can form yogas, because 10th house lord is a Kendra house and 9th lord Mercury is a trinal house. When Moon and Mercury are in opposition or in exchange or when conjunct, Libra native can get Raj Yoga. Well, like when Moon is in 9th house and Mercury is in 10th house, it is a very good combination. Even Moon and Saturn can form yoga for Libra ascendant. when moon is in 5th house and Saturn is in 10th house, it can form yoga, or when moon and Saturn are together in the 10th house, or even when moon and Saturn are in opposition. Sun is evil because of ruling the 11th house. Sun is also Badaka lord for Libra native. Sun is also debilitated in first house of Libra, so Sun is not a good planet, and Sun is evil. So for Libra native, to summarize, Saturn and Mercury are the first rate benefics. Moon can form yoga when it is with Saturn or Mercury, when it is connected to Saturn or Mercury. Mars is Maraka planet. Jupiter and Sun are also evil, and they can also cause Marakas sometimes. Venus is a neutral planet, and Venus cannot really boost any other combination, nor can it detract from any other good combination, so it is a neutral planet. Really good planets are Saturn, Mercury and Moon. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you are a Libra ascendant, just check where your good planets and bad planets are placed and how these planets are affecting your life. I will catch you up in another video for house lords for Scorpio ascendant.